There are lots of common examples that we see in the real world that deal with unit rates, such as your hourly pay rate that you may earn at a job, or the number of miles your car can drive on 1 gallon of gas. However, another application of unit rates that is very, very useful to us in order to save money on things that we purchase is to be able to calculate the unit price of a product of different things at the grocery store. This year, in order to do this, we essentially need to take the cost and divide it by the amount. When we do this and simplify it, this will tell us then the cost that it will be for that product for 1 unit of the product. Then we can compare it with other ones to see which one will cost less for the same amount of product. So here in this example, we have that you buy 12 pounds of popcorn for $22.69. And we want to find the unit price. So this means we need to take the cost, 22.69, and divide that by our amount, which we have as being 12 pounds. So now we can simplify this and get 22.69 divided by 12. And this gives us that it is going to cost $1.89 for 1 pound of popcorn. And that would be our unit price. The next problem, we have that the cost of 89 fluid ounces of Tropicana orange juice is $5.18, while the cost of a 59 fluid ounce of Florida's natural orange juice is $2.98. And we want to know what is the more economical choice. This means we need to calculate the unit price for both bottles of orange juice and figure out which one costs less per ounce. So to start off, I'm going to calculate the unit price for the Tropicana. And we have that it costs $5.18. And we need to then divide this by 89 fluid ounces. So 5.18 divided by 89. And we get about $0.058 per 1 fluid ounce. However, maybe you don't like dealing with these very small numbers. Maybe it would make a little bit more sense to put these into cents instead of dollars. So if I go ahead and multiply this by 100, this tells us that it costs 5.8 cents for 1 fluid ounce of the orange juice. Next, let's calculate the unit price for the Florida's natural orange juice. We have that it costs $2.98 over 59 fluid ounces. So 2.98 divided by 59, and we get about 0.051 if we round that up a little bit here. And this is going to be dollars per 1 fluid ounce. And now, once again, I like to put this into cents. So if we multiply it by 100, we get 5.1 cents per 1 fluid ounce. And now we can answer the question of which one is the more economical choice, because that's going to be the one that costs less for the same amount. So we have the Tropicana costs 5.8 cents for 1 fluid ounce, while the Florida's Natural costs 5.1 cents for 1 fluid ounce. So our more economical choice is going to be the Florida's Natural orange juice.